Welcome back YouTube, VST here van Speech Tech. My Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G and the Samsung Galaxy A32. Today I noticed again stock Samsung applications update. What is important guys, there is an update for quick share with proper changelog, which is not something to be seen very often. What is new? Devices displayed in the order they were found when searching for nearby devices. This explains why I have also my other Galaxy phones, more devices displayed per line, improved icon color for devices found, added status notification guide for when there are devices waiting to receive files, and also URL display and usage guide provided when copying a link. Now guys, I'm going to update QuickShare. With QuickShare update, we also need to update the QuickShare connectivity, because it has also some fancy new things. If the screen is off while waiting for file reception, the file reception acceptance pop-up is displayed. Improved reception pop-up preview display conditions. So let me hit that update button guys. Now I got that updated, we need to make sure that the QuickShare is toggled on from the quick menu. So we have QuickShare guys. So click on the QuickShare. We need to make sure that we can be accessed by anyone. And I'm also going to click the QuickShare button here. So also change it to anyone nearby. All right. So I'm just going to save those settings guys. I'm going to go now inside my gallery and I'm going to send this file to my other devices, see what happens. All right. So initiating the QuickShare. Now I can see this phone, Ivetta's phone and JR's phone, so they are displayed here. Share to any device. Create a link that can be opened on any phone, computer or any other device with a web browser. So let me just try to do first initiate like a proper sharing. Okay, quick share. That's the menu that we get. Here it's sent already, boom. Here we have also the menu displayed. The S22 Ultra wants to share one image with you. Hit the accept button guys. All right, let me just see if we were able to transfer the picture. Picture is transferred. Okay, let me now share another picture to these two phones with the screen off for that phone. So scanning nearby, right? Just eager to see what is going to be found out. Okay, the A32 apparently is found out. Okay, here we have the regular pop-up and this phone cannot be found because here guys, the screen should be turned on. Let me go on my lock screen, and if I go to my lock screen guys, the phone appears. Let's try now to send this picture to those phones, but also using some of the other options. So I'm going to initiate quick share. Now, first phone has appeared. Hopefully also the second one will appear here. Okay, now both phones are here. This time I'm going to use share link using app. Let's just see what is going to happen there. All right. Okay, guys, now I can just apparently share a link to those phones. They can download it from there. And then, guys, let me just try to also share with a QR code. Now, if I'm to scan this code, I'm going to get this file as well. And of course, I can copy the link and I can paste it there as well. I'm going to just try to see the settings, guys. So I can see here my profile name. I can see who I share with. And then I can see the link sharing history. So what I have shared in the previous attempts. Use Wi-Fi only. Okay, so this is pretty much as good as it gets. And of course, that's using the latest version. Let's check the new settings one more time. Devices are displayed in the order they were found. More devices displayed per line. Okay, we got it all in a single line. Added a status notification guide for when there are devices waiting to receive files. And all right, guys, then let me just try to do it. I want to do one more test just to be sure. So I have turned the screen off and I'm going to initiate quick share one more time. All right, this phone is found. Now I'm going to switch this phone off as well. Yes. Okay, then let me just do now the same test, but vice versa. So now I'm going to put this screen on and I'm going to initiate quick share. Yay, wow. Okay, it's really fast, guys. You can just see. Okay, yep, absolutely. Every time one of the phones is active, you can see that they appear here almost in real time. Now let's do another transfer. I want to see what will happen here. Okay, so here we have waiting for response. Okay, and of course, if I click this one, we have now this nice status there, sending. Yeah, I mean, it all works quite fine. So it seems that this update is a nice one, guys. I really hope you enjoy videos like this. If that's the case, let me know. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Come join Telegram, let's have a chat, and please, you and your family stay safe. And with that said, guys, VST over and bye.